Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the hard work so you can make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're taking to the skies to compare two high-flying drones, the istone Is-5 and the Techwonderz drone with camera. Get ready for a drone showdown that's going to be more thrilling than a cat chasing a laser pointer. First up, let's talk cameras. The istone i5 boasts a 1080 PhD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's reaction when they realize you've caught them sunbathing on their roof. On the other hand, Techwonderz also packs a 1080 PhD dual camera setup with the front camera rotating 90 degrees. And get this, it even has a 50x zoom. So if you ever wanted to zoom in on a squirrel's breakfast from 50 feet away, now you can. Both drones let you share those epic moments on social media with just a click. But with Techwonderz, you might just become the next Hitchcock of drone footage. Reviewers say the istone i5 takes decent pictures, but the video can be choppy and the camera quality is lacking. Meanwhile, Techwonderz has been praised for its great picture quality and ease of use, making it a favorite for both kids and adults. Next, let's talk flight time. The istone i5 gives you a solid 30 minutes of airtime with its two rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to pretend you're a pilot and make airplane noises while annoying the heck out of your family. But wait, the Techwonderz ups the ante with a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite TV show. Imagine binge-watching while your drone is out there doing flips and rolls. Speaking of which, Techwonderz can do 360 degrees flips and rolls, which is basically like your drone saying, "Look ma, no hands." According to reviews, the istone Is-5 often faces connectivity issues, causing it to fly away uncontrollably. On the other hand, Techwonderz is appreciated for its longer battery life and reliability in the air. Now, what about those of you who are new to drones and still trying to figure out how to fly without crashing into your grandma's prized rose bushes? Istone i5 comes with headless mode, one key start landing, hand gesture photos, slow shavy video, and altitude hold. It's like drone flying for dummies. No offense. On the flip side, Techwonderz has optical flow positioning and obstacle avoidance, which means it's less likely to become an expensive lawn ornament. Plus, it has fast and slow gears, so you can start slow and impress your friends with your mad drone skills later. Reviewers of the istone Is-5 have faced challenges with the drone flying away and losing connection, whereas Techwonderz has been lauded for its ease of use and beginner-friendly features. Last but not least, let's talk portability. The istone i5 is foldable and fits right into your pocket. It's like having a mini transformer. Autobots roll out. It even comes with a carrying case. Meanwhile, Techwonderz is also compact, but not quite as pocket-friendly. However, it makes up for it with its sleek design and the ability to do waypoint flying. You can draw a path on the app, and it'll follow it like a well-trained puppy. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, but Techwonderz stands out for its design and additional features. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team istone i5 or Team Techwonderz, both drones offer some fantastic features. Reviewers have mixed feelings about the istone Is-5 due to its connectivity issues and camera quality, but appreciate its portability. On the other hand, Techwonderz is highly praised for its camera quality, flight time, and beginner-friendly features, making it a strong contender in the drone market. Let us know in the comments which one you're picking and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.